Hello everyone, I am Albert Koçak. I am a senior electrical and electronics engineering student at Bilkent University, and in this video I am going to present you my EEE 412 microwave electronics term project. In this project I designed a high gain amplifier using ADS. This high gain amplifier has a center frequency of 330 MHz and the bandwidth is 10% of the center frequency. The circuit is supplied by 12 volts and it drains approximately 20 milliamperes. The gain at the center frequency is approximately 17.5 dB. The worst input return loss is around 20 dB and worst output return loss is around 14 dB. The noise figure in the band is around 2.5 dB. This is the circuit itself, and the next video shows the network analyzer test setup and the results. The next two tables are the requirements and results. Thanks for watching.